Samsung's Galaxy S26 series is shaping up to be one of the most unusual shifts in the company's flagship history. The lineup many expected, Base, Plus, and Ultra, no longer exists. Instead, Samsung is introducing a completely restructured family: Galaxy S26 Pro, S26 Edge, and S26 Ultra. This isn't speculation. The details have surfaced through official One UI 8 firmware and GSMA database records. The decision to remove both the Base and Plus models signals Samsung's intent to push its branding into a more premium, streamlined approach. But the question on everyone's mind is whether the Pro label comes with genuine improvements or just a new name. Recent reports suggest Samsung is taking the upgrade path seriously. Galaxy Club, a highly reliable source, confirms that the S26 Pro will house a 4,300 mAh battery, a clear 300 mAh increase over the S25 base model. The S26 Edge will feature a 4,200 mAh cell, another 300 mAh bump despite its thinner design. Ice Universe, another well-known leaker, claims the Edge could even go up to 4,400 mAh. But regardless of the final figure, both phones are gaining meaningful endurance. The Ultra remains at 5,000 mAh, limited by airline battery restrictions that prevent larger single-cell capacities without a dual-cell design. Charging and camera capabilities also see notable refinement. The S26 Ultra moves from 45 watts to 60 watts charging confirmed via internal One UI 8.5 code. Owners of Samsung's 65-watt chargers won't need to purchase new accessories since the device will automatically cap the power draw at 60 watts. On the camera side, the Ultra's HP 2 main sensor adopts a wider aperture, the 5x telephoto lens is enhanced, and the 3x telephoto is now a sharper 12-megapixel sensor with better low-light performance. The S26 Edge also gets a serious bump, upgrading its ultra-wide camera from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels, giving it two shared cameras with the Ultra. Even without a dedicated telephoto lens, the digital zoom remains competitive for casual use. The series isn't just about internals. Samsung is also pushing for a sleeker design. The S26 Ultra will slim down from 8.2 millimeters to the 7 millimeter range, becoming slightly taller and wider, yet lighter. The 6.9-inch display carries forward but now benefits from COED polarizer technology for brighter and more efficient visuals. Combined with advanced anti-reflective glass, outdoor visibility will see a marked improvement. Internally, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy powers the series, with the Ultra running at a peak 4.74 GHz. Samsung is testing the Exynos 2600 as well, but it's unlikely to appear in the Ultra. All devices will launch with One UI 8.5, which introduces more substantial UI and UX refinements than the Fold 7's update. Beyond specs, Samsung is riding a wave of strong sales. The Fold 7 saw a 50% year-over-year boost in pre-orders, breaking records in the US, South Korea, India, and across Europe. The S25 series also posted a 38% increase in US sales, while Apple's share fell by 11%, a reflection of weak iPhone 16 reception and broader market struggles. In a surreal moment, Apple even accidentally hosted a 2-minute Galaxy Z Flip 7 promotional video on its Chinese support page before quickly removing it, briefly becoming Samsung's most unexpected advertiser. Pricing will reflect the shift toward a more premium lineup. The S26 Pro is expected to start around $899, with the Edge slightly below and the Ultra at approximately $1,199. The official launch is anticipated in early 2025, and with new batteries, enhanced cameras, 60-watt charging, and a slimmer design, Samsung appears determined to redefine its flagship series while trimming away any excess.